Hey guys, I'm Jamie and this is Pelican Unlocked, where we take a deep dive into all things Pelican. Today we're going to talk about the Pelican Modpaks. This is part of our travel series of products, and these Modpaks are specifically designed to be the ultimate travel companion. These versatile accessories integrate with the Pelican Aegis series so that you can use them with our duffels and backpacks to help organize your gear within. As we look at the different products within the Modpak system, you've got the toiletry bag, packing cubes in a small, medium, and large, 2 sizes of pouches, and then the AV pouches in both the single and double. Each part of the Modpak system has its own unique features. If we look at something like the toiletry bag, the AV pouches, the gear pouches, these all have the Cordura exterior, so it's a really durable fabric to make sure that these last a long time. They also have heavy-duty, reliable zippers, easy access grab handles, and the gear pouches and the AV pouches have exterior attachment points for use with the MOLLE system on the Aegis series, as well as interior organization. If you look specifically at the DOP kit, the interior's got a couple of different compartments to keep your toiletries organized, with a pouch down here and then a couple of zippered compartments to keep the smaller stuff intact. And then it also features a nice hook so that when you get to where you're going, you can hook it up and it's ready for use. Looking at the gear pouches, again, these come in a medium and large form factor. These have the Cordura exterior, a nice durable grab handle, and MOLLE strapping in the back to ensure that this integrates cleanly with our Aegis system. It also has a front patch for the Pelican Patch ID so that you can keep your gear tagged and organized. Moving on to the AV pouches, single and double AV, great for storing and traveling with your camera gear, lenses, etc. The double AV pouch has the interior with the MOLLE strapping on the lid side. Inside you have a small storage pouch for smaller gear, whether it be microfiber cloths, filters, etc. And then on either side, you've got 2 strapped sections that have a small bit of padding. This padding can be used to protect the lens, and you can put it on the outside depending on how you're traveling with your gear. As we look at the AV pouches, these are great for traveling with different camera gear, lenses, a couple of lenses and a body. I personally use this quite a bit to travel with a couple of lenses. I'll do my 24-70, a 70-200, and then do my camera body right in the center, and it's just big enough to carry everything when I don't need to take my entire kit with me. So great piece of kit here. As we look at how the Pelican Modpaks integrate with Pelican Aegis series, you can use it in a ton of different ways. Here we've got one of the gear pouches strapped to the outside of our 18-liter Aegis backpack using the MOLLE strapping, so it's affixed on there nicely if you wanted to add some exterior storage. Or as you look at the interior, again, whether it be small, loose gear that you're organizing in a packing cube, you can put that in there. Double AV pouch, single AV pouch. It's a modular system that you use as you need, but it all works within the Aegis series so that you've got organized gear no matter what the mission is. Protect and organize your essentials on the go with Pelican Modpaks. And as always, if you're looking to protect your gear, put it in a Pelican.